Hi, I'm Christian, and today we're going to talk about product discovery. When we say product discovery, we think of three words: understanding, vision, and alignment. We basically look at understanding the business goals, the audience, and the problems we're trying to solve for them, the product market fit, and how all of these translate into actual features in your product. Then we move on to vision, where we try to understand your long-term vision for the product we're trying to build, and how you measure success for it. These combined will give us the unique value proposition that's going to differentiate your product from the rest in the market. And last but not least, when it comes to alignment, the main purpose of product discovery is to bring everyone involved in the process on the same page. The key to successful product discovery workshop is to drive engagement. So to have everyone involved hands-on as part of the process. That means from our partner side, these can be decision makers or anyone who has useful information that can drive the idea forward. On our side, on Unpacking Digital side, this usually involves product owner, a UX UI designer, or a technical lead.